to HomePod.
Nice.
You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
One sec. I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Alright, here's some music picked just for you.
Hey Siri, what is my name?
You sound like beautiful Crystal.
Hey Siri, what's my name?
I'm not sure who's speaking. Check the Home app to make sure you turned on Recognize My Voice.
Hey Siri, where can I find the Home app?
The Home app comes pre-installed on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. If you don't see it there, try re-downloading it from the App Store